Hello, welcome to Wear. This is the conventional sound strobe D106C. For this sounder, you can connect it with a conventional fire alarm panel, and I can show you the wiring also, how to connect this, and then I will do a testing video in which I will press the MCB and will trigger this sounder, and this sounder is waterproof, and we will be having a waterproof test also. Now this is the waterproof sounder D106C, and I have connected the wires in the DC24 terminal of the sounder, and you can see from the gland it's the positive and negative wire is coming and going to the panel. Now I will show you the terminals in the panel. You can see this is the bell port of the panel, and I have connected the positive wire of the sounder in the positive terminal of the bell port and negative wire of the sounder in the negative terminal of the bell port, and I have used a 6.8K EOL resistor as the end of line resistor. Now I will test the sounder with the MCB. I will press the MCB so we can see the sounder is working. This is the sounder, and now I press this MCB. So now I press reset and the sounder has stopped. Okay, this conventional sounder AW-D106C is a waterproof sounder, and now I am going to do a waterproof test, and I will also test it. And you can see now this is the bucket of water, and you can see. Now the video can show that this is completely waterproof, and now you can see I will just so you can see that even I make it in the water, and the water cannot go inside, and the video shows that this is a completely waterproof device and can use outdoors.